And today we're going to be playing with the DeeRC 9300. This is a 1/18 scale, four-wheel drive, hobby grade RC car. You just got to check it out. First, we're going to do some thrashing and trashing in the dirt and in the grass right out here. And then we'll pop the cover off, take a look at it, and see what you get. Let's get started. Really rips. So what we're going to do is we're going to go home because it's hot and it's Florida, so let's go back to the studio, pop the cover off, and take a deep look on the inside of this hot little RC car. Okay, so we are home now, and let's get out the little DeeRC 9300 and take a closer look at it and look inside so you can see exactly what you're getting. Here it is. We're going to go ahead and take the top off, and we're going to start with a tour of the inside. You can see that this little RC car has four-wheel independent suspension. It is four-wheel drive. On the inside, I don't know if you can see it, but there are little metal CV joints on the inside for all four wheels because it is four-wheel drive. Here's the transmission in the back, and there is a drive shaft that's steel and shiny in there. I don't know if you can see that close, but it comes all the way to the front differential. You have coilover shocks all the way around. These are not oil filled, but they do really good for the size of this RC car. Here's your steering servo. As you can see, it moves and is readily available. So if you want to upgrade that or change it, this is where your electronics are housed. And here's your motor with the heat sink on it to help keep this motor cool while you're running and thrashing. And then the battery goes on this side, and it is a 2S battery, and you do get two of them. So it's a 7.4 volt 2S 850 mAh battery, 850 or 950, I'm not sure exactly. And then of course you also get this charger that comes with it for charging your batteries one at a time. You have the little wrench for the wheels. You have extra screws, extra body pins, and another bag of extra parts and screws and Allen wrenches for if you lose anything in the suspension or whatever. So it comes with lots of extras, and then a little nice storage bag to put all your extra stuff in. This is what the remote looks like. This is a little better quality than some that come with these cheaper RC cars. So it really has a little weight to it and doesn't feel as thin as some of the others I've tried out. But it has the true rubber tires on it. It's got some nice wheels. And it's just all around a nice little RC car. So what you're getting is a really nice hobby level RC car. This thing is going to smoke anything that you buy from a big box store. Not to mention, parts are going to be readily available that you can order to make repairs to where you cannot do that with the big box store RC cars. Plus, like I said, you can upgrade. You can get a faster servo for steering. You can get a faster motor. You can get a bigger or better battery if you like. This is completely upgradable. You can also get different wheels because this is on the hobby level, meaning you have access to all the individual components. Other RC cars, everything's covered up in a hard shell that you can't get open, and once you break it, it's done. This little car is fast, it's fun, it's lightweight, it's easy to carry, and it's four-wheel drive. And it will take down any terrain. Tall grass, short grass, sand, dirt. Don't take it underwater, but mud, it'll do that as well. Very nice little car. DeeRC 9300. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.